So today we are covering chapter 3 coordinate geometry. Okay, so in coordinate geometry exercise 3.2 question number 1 we are going to attempt. Question number 1 sub question is 1. What is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? So here two words are there. One is Cartesian planes and one is horizontal and vertical lines. Cartesian plane means one mathematician Cartesian, he has developed this one thinking that if on a plain paper any point we want to describe, this is the point or this is the place or this is the place or anything we have to describe. Any school is there, we have to. So in a plain paper how we will describe it? So Cartesian was a mathematician, he has described this system. So in this system what he has made, he had made two lines. One is vertical line and one is horizontal line. So your question is horizontal line. Horizontal line is, for your question number 1 is horizontal line. So name of the horizontal line, it is x-axis. So first is x-axis. Second, and what is the vertical? Vertical, it is y-axis. He has given the names as y-axis and x-axis. Okay. And Cartesian plane, this is known as the Cartesian plane. It is also known as the coordinate plane because any point you want to describe, any point you have to describe with the help of this number line this way and number line this way. So 2 points will be there. One is for this number line and one is for upper side. So suppose it is 5 and then upper side 2. So 2 numbers will be there. These are known as the coordinates. So that's why they name it coordinate plane. Or x and y plane is also called this. This is called as XY plane also, coordinate plane also, or so what this first question is over. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? These two lines, x and y lines, what is the name of each part? So it has, you see, it has 4 parts. It has 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 parts are there. So they want to know what is the name of each part. So question number 2, sub question 2, its parts are first quadrant like this, second quadrant, okay, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So first quadrant, then second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. These are its name. Write the names of the point where these two lines intersect. These two lines intersect. One line is this, one line is this. It is intersecting here. This point is known as the origin. This point is known as the origin. So third is origin. Okay. Here now I will explain you about, after this question is over, question number 1 is over. Question number 1 is over. Now, before going to question number 2, I will explain something. Here, you see, suppose here is a point, here is a point is here. Okay. So how we can describe? Means first we have to go to this positive line. X-axis, this side is positive and this side is also positive. It means this point will be first x-axis. Always x-axis will be first number x-axis and second number is always y-axis. While writing the coordinates, you have to be careful. First is x-axis and then y-axis. Y-axis then you will take. So y-axis also it is plus. So this side is known as the plus. Likewise here, first x-axis we will take. X-axis, first x-axis we will take. So x-axis is negative. So negative will come. Then upper side, suppose point is here. So upper side you have to go, that is the positive side. That's why it is known as plus plus. Suppose a person has to go here. So first he will go to the minus side. Means coordinate will be, first coordinate will be minus x-axis. Then y-axis also he will come down. That is also a negative side. So that will also be negative. Minus sign will come here. Okay. Here, suppose any person wants to go here. First he will go to the positive side. And then he will get down to the negative side, So this is this. So these are the coordinates. Here, this is plus plus, this is minus plus, this is minus minus, this is plus minus. Okay. Now we are going to the, here 2 points are there. So first point, it is known as ABCD. So first serially, abscissa, ABS. CISSA. This is known as abscissa. Okay, and this side Y is known as ordinate. Ordinate. So this you have to keep in mind. ABCD. First, this is abscissa, this is ordinate. This you have to keep in mind. Now, question number 3 we are going to solve. But before to that, I have to make one graph also. So, after preparing the graph, I am coming to the question. Okay. Now, exercise number 3.2. Question number is 2, and sub question is 1. First, the coordinates of B. So here B is here. Its coordinate. Coordinate means 2 things you have to tell. First x-axis and then y. So x-axis is -5. So -5, and y-axis it is 2. Okay. So this is the coordinate of B. Coordinate of C. They want to know C. So first x-axis means 5. Okay, then it will come to -5. It will come to -5, then C will come. So coordinate of C. The point identified by the coordinates -3, -5. So first -3 and then -5. -5 is here. So then first -3 will come, then -3. So this point is known as E. Okay, third. Question 4. The point identified by the coordinates 2, -4. So first 2 is positive. So 2x line we will go 2. And then 4. -4 here it is. So it is known as G. Okay. Then 5th point. Abscissa of point D. So D is here. Abscissa means x-axis first. So it is 6. First we will go to 6, then only to the upper side. So x-axis is 6. So abscissa is 6. 6 number 6. The coordinates of point L. Coordinates of point L means both the coordinate means 2 things you have to tell. So here it is 0. It is always 0 is here. It is 0. So it will be 0 and +5. 0 and +5. First we will write x-axis and then y-axis. So coordinates. Coordinate means two things you have to give. That is this is 7th number. Sorry, this is your 7th number. 7th number coordinate of point L. And 6th is missing. 6th is, again I am writing 6th, the ordinate of point H. Ordinate of point H. Ordinate means the second one. When we are writing, second is ordinate. Ordinate of point H. So first is your H. First is your -5. minus 5, and then you goes to minus 3, you go to minus 3, then H comes. So it means minus 3 is the answer. Minus 3 is the answer for this H. H ordinate is this. Then your question number 7 I have already solved. Point for L. This is for L. This is for L. And then and this is for H. It is for H because here you have one minus 5 and minus 3. So they want ordinate. Ordinate means this one. Now 6, 7 and now 8. 8. Ordinates for the point M. Ordinates for the coordinates. Coordinates means two things you have to tell. So first it will be zero line because no, first it will be minus. First it will be minus 3. And nothing you have to go because M is here itself, nothing you have to go. So second will be 0. So first x-axis, then y-axis. So its answer will be 3, 0. Okay. So this exercise is over. Now we will go to the next exercise. Okay, thank you. Or I think this chapter is over. This chapter is over with all these explanations. Now we will go to the next chapter, chapter number 4. Thanks for watching this video, and please share with your friends also so that they can also be benefited from this type of my subsequent videos also. Thank you.